When most traders add a Supertrend indicator on their chart, they see the color change and quickly open a trade. Then the line flips back 2 candles later. The signal looks real, but the chart says something different. Today, we are looking at one line on the chart that makes a difference a lot easier to see. Before this video ends, you will know what separates good Supertrend signals from ones that fail almost immediately. So if you are ready as I am, give this video a like and let's dive into it. Before adding any indicator, scroll back on your Olymptrade chart and find an area where the candles kept moving in one direction. You will notice small pullbacks, but the overall movement keeps advancing. Now, find a section where the candles overlap, or often reverse, and keep returning to the same price area. Both sections have movement, but only one goes somewhere. That difference is what every indicator reads. The cleaner the movement on the chart, the easier it is to interpret a signal. Open your chart right now and try to find both movement before moving on. I want you to open your Olymptrade chart right now, then add a Supertrend indicator. Leave the period 10 and multiplier 3 settings alone, as these defaults are stable across most assets and time frames. And changing them before you understand what the default show makes the chart harder to read. Now, watch where the line appears. Don't look at the color first, but instead look at its position relative to price. You'll notice that as new candles close, the line adjusts and follows the movement instead of predicting it. The line sits below the price, sellers are in control, buyers are. When it sits above, sellers are the ones in control. But the color itself isn't the main thing you should be watching. The main question that actually matters is price staying consistently on one side of the line, or is it crossing back and forth every few candles? That one observation alone filters out most bad trades than any settings change ever will. When the line changes color, the instinct is to act fast. That's exactly where most false signals land. Instead, wait for one thing: a candle body that finishes completely on the new side of the line. Not just a wick reaching across, not a candle that touches and pulls back, a full body candle closes beyond the line. After that close, the following candle becomes a possible entry, and not before. So scroll back on your Olymp trade chart right now, find 3 Supertrend flips and check the same thing for each one. Did the candle body actually close beyond the line, or did it just reach towards it? That difference becomes visible immediately. The exit follows the same structure as the entry. Stay with a trade while the candle body keeps closing on the one side of the line. When a candle body closes through the other side, that condition that was supporting the trade is no longer there. That's the exit. Not because of how the move feels and not because of how long you've been in it, but because the structure of the chart has changed. See if you find a completed trend on your chart right now. Locate the first confirmed close that happened on the other side of the line. Watch what follows from that point onwards. Open any chart you're already following and apply the Supertrend strategy and scroll back the last 50 to 100 candles without placing a trade. Every time the line changes color, stop and check 3 things. Was price moving clearly in one direction before that clip? Or was it going sideways? Did the candle body actually close on the new side, or was it just a wick? How many candles continued before the flip back? Do this for 15 minutes and you are not looking for trades right now. You are training yourself to see the difference between a flip with real structure and one that looks convincing in the moment. After going through 20 to 30 of those flips, they stop looking identical to each other, and you start reading the chart what was doing before the signal appeared. That context is what changes how you evaluate the setup. This framework stays the same no matter what asset or time frame you are working with. Find the direction first and check whether the price is constantly holding on one side of the line. Then wait for the candle body to fully close before acting. Exit when the candle body closes on one side of the line. And before you close this video, find one Supertrend flip that worked and one that didn't. Don't look at the signal itself, look at what the chart was doing for the 20 candles before the signal appeared. If you have any indicators you want me to break down, drop it in the comments and I might talk about it in the next video. And while you are still at it, don't forget to check out the video about the tips for trading on the news, and also the next video which is about bringing the ATR and volume alongside the Supertrend strategy and how they interact with the same setup you've been looking at here. The links to those videos are in the video description below. Until then, stay sharp, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.
Olymptrade, care that counts.